Ever wondered who pulls the strings behind data-driven decisions in the corporate world? Here's a clue: it's not a magician, but a BI architect. These savvy professionals harness the power of data, transforming it into valuable insights that shape strategic decisions. In this video, we'll unpack the role of a BI architect, delve into the skills needed, explore the team dynamics, challenges, and rewards of the job, and even look at future prospects. Ready to dive into the realm of a BI architect? Buckle up, it's a thrilling ride. So, what exactly does a BI architect do? Let's unravel this role. A business intelligence architect, or BI architect for short, is like the grand conductor of an orchestra, but instead of musicians, they are coordinating data. They design and implement powerful business intelligence, BI software and systems, transforming raw data into meaningful, actionable information. Their work doesn't end there. They also play a crucial role in integrating these systems with databases and data warehouses, ensuring a smooth flow of data across the organization. Picture a well-oiled machine with every gear and lever working in harmony. That's what a business looks like when a BI architect is at the helm. They're constantly working with different teams, understanding their data needs, and creating solutions that drive decision-making. From improving business operations to predicting market trends, their contribution is vital. In short, a BI architect is the mastermind behind the seamless flow of data in a business. Now that you know what a BI architect does, do you have what it takes to be one? Let's see. Remember, this isn't a role for everyone. It demands a unique blend of skills and experiences. Firstly, a BI architect must possess strong analytical skills. The ability to dissect and understand complex data is paramount. A knack for problem solving, that's your bread and butter. Next, knowledge of business intelligence tools is crucial. Familiarity with solutions like Power BI, Tableau, or ClickView will set you on the right path. Lastly, understanding database architecture is essential. You'll need to know how data is stored, accessed, and managed. Combine these skills with experience in data analysis or IT, and you've got the makings of a BI architect. But don't forget the soft skills. Teamwork, communication, and adaptability will be your companions on this journey. Sound like a fit? Great. But remember, every role comes with its set of challenges. Every job has its peaks and valleys. The role of a BI architect is no different. Imagine a mountain range, its peaks representing the highs of the job, its valleys, the challenges. The valleys, as in any profession, include dealing with complex data, a veritable jungle of numbers and patterns, and the constant need to align with ever-changing business needs. It's like a never-ending game of chess, always striving to stay one step ahead. But then, there are the peaks, the exhilarating peaks. Picture the satisfaction of mastering that data jungle, transforming it into an oasis of insight and value. Imagine the thrill of not just keeping pace with business needs, but influencing business strategies. Add to these a competitive salary, flexible work schedule, and the opportunity to constantly learn and grow. Challenging? Yes. Rewarding? Absolutely. Thinking about the future, a BI architect's path is laden with opportunities. This field is ever evolving, constantly presenting new challenges, technologies, and avenues to explore. Today, you might be designing data models, while tomorrow, you could be pioneering innovative solutions to complex business problems. But what about growth? In this dynamic field, your progression isn't limited to a linear path. You could advance to become a senior BI architect, overseeing larger, more complex projects, or you might find yourself branching out to related roles such as data scientist, business analyst, or even CIO, each offering its own unique blend of challenges and rewards. Beyond the corporate ladder, there's the potential for personal growth. You'll continually hone your skills, learn new technologies, and adapt to the changing landscapes of business and technology. The future is as bright as you make it. As a BI architect, you're at the helm of business intelligence, steering the ship towards success. Think you've got what it takes to be a BI architect? Imagine yourself leveraging data to drive business success, working within dynamic teams, and using cutting-edge tools to shape the future. Consider the challenges, the rewards, the growth opportunities. Do they excite you? Do they align with your skills and aspirations? Your unique journey awaits in the world of business intelligence. Ready to embark on an exciting journey as a BI architect? We can't wait to see where you'll go.